I'm going to show you how to send emails with clear expectations in less than a few seconds. So why do this? First, so that your recipients know exactly the type of response, if any, you're expecting. And two, so that you make their lives easier by helping them prioritize what needs to get done and when. So once you have the Timyo Chrome extension for Gmail installed, simply click on the Compose button. Choose your recipient and subject. Then you'll notice a new field. Timyo is changing the email protocol by adding a when field, so you can indicate what type of response you're looking for, if any, and when you need it by. In this case, let's suppose I'm expecting a response but don't need it right away. I'll indicate I'm looking for a reply toward the end of the week. I also have the option in this new field to adjust the tonality of this new information, even using some emojis. Now my message is ready and I can press send. When receiving an email sent with Timyo, the recipient can see the expectation even before they open the email, whether they have Timyo installed or not. So, I've made sure my recipient is clear about what I'm looking for, and I've made her life easier by giving essential information that will help her prioritize this request and focus on what matters when it matters. For more videos and tips, check out our site at timyo.com.